Hi guys, it's Gail. Welcome back to my channel. I just had my face full beat makeup on to do the review for this Mugler. This is actually the one that I got for my birthday from one of my best friend, Rosie. Thank you so much. And I wore my first designer brand Mugler X H&M. So good. I'm so in love with this look and everything. Anyways, let's unbox it. This one also have the body lotion, perfume lotion. It's so amazing. Oh my god. I actually saw the ad for the Goddess one and my god, the one is so bad. What about this one? I haven't done any research, but this one is a EDT. This one is a Angel Mugler. The packaging is out of this world. It's so beautiful. It's in the color of bluish kind of thing. Oh my god, my mind couldn't stop thinking about the goddess one. Haven't done any research. Today I'm gonna review the fragrance only. Mugler Angel EDT. So let's put it on. Spray so good. My first thought is so oriental, woody, kind of clean but also sweet. But I never smelled this sweet before. It reminded me a lot of Dior floral sweetness. I'm gonna do the wear test for you guys and I'll be right back for more. Right now it's around 5 p.m. So oriental. Put more. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes. I never smelled fragrance like this before. I would say it's so unique. Now it's more skin scented and airy and warm and light. It's so weird. So let's take a look for the notes. I couldn't detect anything. In my opinion, it's like that clean notes and some florals. I'm sorry guys, it's not EDT, it's eau de parfum. There is a definition of this fragrance. Mugler Angel, woman who dares to live up her dream with a blue star as her guide. Confident and seductive, she fascinates those who cross her path. Between power and pleasure, she used her outer femininity as a signature between heaven and earth. She makes her dream a reality. It's the first gourmand fragrance in the world of fragrance. Angel wider than dream. This is so much. I like it. It first launched in 1992, created by Oliver Krebs and Yves de Chirine. How can I know the years of this one? By the way, guys, this one is a 25 mils. I think it looks so beautiful and cute and small. This one is in the category of gourmand fragrance, power of patchouli, with the sensuality of notes of praline, grapefruit, and vanilla absolute. I never had any of that notes before. It's interesting and cooling. It gives me a little bit of masculinity, but not too much. I'll be right back for my wear test, guys. Hi guys, I'm back. Right now it's 3 a.m. It's been 10 hours, I think. I still could smell this fragrance a little bit. One thing that I would like to comment, I think it's not a cotton candy gourmand fragrance. This one is an old school, some kind of vintage gourmand feeling. It reminds me a little bit of the Chanel No. 5, but it's totally different. This one is Chanel No. 5 in Mugler, something like that. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells so good. It's not too strong, but you can smell it all the time, and it's airy and it's super oriental. It makes you feel like not old-fashioned. I think it's vintage, but still really good. So I think I did a lot of things today. I've been in the rain. I went clubbing. I cry many times because I put contact lens on. I think I should be back tomorrow to review it again. But it's been 10 hours and it's skin scent. You still could smell it and it's so airy and not something that you used to. So, and I put the Mugler dress on. I want to try more of this. It's interesting. Alright, I'll be back to try one more day to see how I really feel and wrap up for the final result. Hey guys, I'm back and this is the next day. I sprayed this on for 3 sprays. I put it on since 8 this morning and now it's 9. I could barely smell it anymore, but after I got off work at 6, I still could smell it. It lasts super long time, strong, not too strong. This one is so similar to Chanel number 5 in the sense of oriental but still classy. So I think I love this one so much. It's something kind of old-fashioned but still beautiful, if you ask me. So I want to try more Mugler, and it's kind of hard to find where I live. But anyway, thank you so much for watching.